Best beauty uses of castor oil. Just by massaging 5 drops of castor oil, 2 drops of rose water and 1 pinch of coffee for 2 minutes before going to bed helps to white skin, thicker eyebrows, treat wrinkles, moisturize your skin, promotes hair growth. Number 1. Hair growth and scalp health mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons castor oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil and a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Method: mix the oil and warm slightly. Massage into your scalp and through the light of your hair. Leave on for at least 1 hour on overnight and rinse with shampoo. Benefits: these mixtures can promote hair growth, strengthen roots and reduce dandruff. Eyelashes and eyebrows enhancer. Ingredients: castor oil and a clean mascara. Wand method: dip the wand in castor oil and gently apply a thin layer of your lashes and eyebrows before bed. Benefits: helps in making lashes and brows thicker and healthier over time. Skin moisturize for dry and rough areas. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon olive oil or almond oil. Method: mix oil and apply to dry areas, elbows, knees, heels before bed. Cover with socks and soft fabric and apply to feet. Benefits: deeply hydrates dry patches and softens skins. Overnight treatment for cracked heels. Ingredients: castor oil. Method: massage a generous amount of castor oil into cracked heels, put on socks and leave it on overnight. Benefits: hydrates and softens rough heels over time. Homemade lip balm. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Method: mix the oils and apply a small amount to your lips as needed. Benefits: keeps lips soft, smooth and moisturized. Nails and cuticle oil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Method: mix all ingredients and massage into nails and cuticles. Benefits: stretching nails and keeps cuticles healthy and hydrated. Under eye moisturizer for dark circles. Ingredients: castor oil and a dab of aloe vera gel. Method: mix a small amount of castor oil with aloe vera gel and gently dab it under your eye before bed. Benefits: reduce dark circles and hydrates the delicate under eye area. For more videos, subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you.